Yes, this was the banner which was displayed at the Salt Lake Stadium when Mohun Bagan Supergiant played against Diamond Harbour Football Club. Yes, this is the banner when Mohun Bagan beat Diamond Harbour by 5 goals to 1. And the green and maroon stands featured a giant tifo. Yes, this is a giant tifo which has lines from a Tagore song. Yes, Bangalil Pon, Bangalil Asha, Bangalil Kaj, Bangalil Bhasha, Satya Hok, Satya Hok, Satya Hok, Hai Bhagwan. Yes, the honor of the Bengali. Yes, the honor of Bengali, the hope of the Bengali, the work of the Bengali, the language of the Bengali. Yes, let it be true, let it be true, let it be true, let it be true, oh God. And below it, yes, below the banner, another banner read, another lines. Yes, another banner which is translated into English. This country doesn't belong to anyone. This country belongs to anyone further, nor is it a game of caste. It was the Bengalis who brought independence. Yes, this was written in Bengali language below the tifos, which had Rabindranath Tagore's lines, Satya Hok, Satya Hok, Satya Hok, Hai Bhagwan. Yes, let it be true. Oh God. The banners condemned the recent labeling of Bengali speaking people as Bangladeshi, a sentiment many in the state say undermine the cultural contribution and sacrifices of Bengalis in the freedom struggle and Indian national building. Yes, in 1905, as all you know, Bengalis used this song. Yes, the song Bengalis Pon, Bengalis Asha, Bengalis Kaj, Bengalis Bhasha, Satya Hok, Satya Hok, Satya Hok, Hai Bhagwan. Yes, this song in 1905 as a weapon in the anti-partition movement during Bongo Bongo protests. Yes, when the Bengal partition was announced, that was yes in 1905 Bongo Bongo protest. Back then, Bengal united in the Raksha Bandhan festival led by Tagore. Yes, that was the Raksha Bandhan Tagore when Tagore united the whole of Bengal. This year's protest also coincided with Rakhi. Yes, the tifo by Mariners D Extreme. Yes, ultras of Mohun Bagan featured portraits of Bengali icons. Yes, like Tagore, Kazi Nazrul Islam, Swami Vivekananda, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and Khudiram Bose. Yes, this tifo is to send a message across India. The issue of Bangladeshi immigrants must be resolved through the joint efforts of central and state governments, but none should question our existence or our language. This Mohun Bagan ultras brought this tifos. It reflects that language unites the whole of the community.